In times like these, in times like those, what will be, and so it goes. And it always goes on and on and on and on and on, on and on and on and on and on it goes. And there's always been laughing, crying, birthing, dying, boys and girls with hearts that take and give and break, heal and grow and recreate and raise and nurture, then hurt from time to times like these, and times like those. What will be, and so it goes. And there's always been stop and go and fast and slow and action.